Horror crash claims 7 family members on Harare Panda Road. The 31st of August 2025. Spread the love. By Lovemore General, 7 members of one family were killed, and 9 others left injured, in a horrific road accident on Friday, along the Harare Panda Road. The Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, confirmed the tragedy, which occurred at the 49 kilometers peg, when a combi carrying 16 family members, together with a tombstone and bricks, overturned after the driver attempted to overtake another vehicle and lost control. Police revealed that 5 people died instantly, while 2 more succumbed to their injuries upon admission at a local hospital, bringing the death toll to 7. In a statement, the ZRP said, "The ZRP confirms the death of 7 family members in a fatal road accident that occurred today, Friday, at the 49 kilometers peg on the Harare Panda Road. 9 people were injured. The combi was carrying 16 family members, a tombstone and bricks, when the driver tried to overtake another motor vehicle and lost control of the combi. The combi then overturned, killing 5 people on the spot, while 2 others died upon admission at the local hospital. Initial reports indicated that 5 people, including 2 children, had perished on the spot. However, the situation worsened when authorities later confirmed that 2 more victims died at hospital. Police are yet to release the names of the deceased as investigations continue.